Hi Anders, thanks for having us here at your stand at IFA 2017. Give us an overview of Urbanista. What is the brand? Tell us about your product.
Thanks a lot. So, of course, it's very exciting to be at IFA. We always think this is a good kickoff for the autumn period. And this year we have a bigger firework of new launches than ever. So I'm really excited, especially now the first day of the week. Urbanista as a brand, we do products for modern urban people around the world who live an active life on the go. And our tagline and vision is to make we design products for a life in motion. So it's always about having products that help your everyday life, but you still look good in terms of everything we relate to and what we do. And we also want to make it at available price points that make it easier to buy one or two, or you have two different colors, or you have two different needs when you're in the running, or when you're doing the commuting or flying or whatever. So it should be a portfolio of products that really enhance your way of life. So going into our new product range, we can start with the two speakers that we have. First of all, we have Sydney, which is a pocket-sized speaker that we wanted to make easy to travel with you, to always have in your pocket when you travel out and when you're on the go. The benefit is that you can put two together and connect them so that you're always having a stereo sound wherever you go, and also a more fulfilling sound. It comes in 4 different colors: the green, the rose gold, black and white. The big brother of that is Brisbane, and that's a more refined and of course fulfilling product. So we have two pieces of 10-watt speakers and 2 passives on both sides, so it really gives a lot of bang for the buck. This is 99 quid and this is 34.95. This can also be connected together, so when you're having your small party or you're at home watching telly, it's a perfect companion.
And they output stereo and hear two of them.
And that's the benefit. It's not double mono, it's stereo, and I think that makes the whole sound experience the whole difference, and it gives a fulfilling sound.
Excellent. So this is an ideal product if you're traveling or you're on holiday.
And if you have a wet travel in Scotland, for example, then they are IPX5, so they can take a shower without a problem.
Excellent. So even if we can.
Yeah. And then, speaking of water resistance, we also just launched waterproof item. So this is a true wireless sport earphone, and the benefit with that is, of course, the water resistance. You can literally jump into the pool with it if you had any desire to do so. So it's IP67, meaning that it can go underwater, or just for the shower singing or whatever you do, or throw it into a wash machine when you're done. The benefit is that you have these wings that makes it fit well whatever sport you're doing, and also with an in-ear. And if you're really slow on your marathon, they sustain for 8 hours playtime, times 4, so in total 32 hours. So a massive battery time, so you can really walk backwards if you're doing that marathon. And this is coming out in the 1st of October, and will be priced around £129 pounds.
So waterproof and good battery life on true wireless earbuds.
Correct. And then moving on to our latest launch of true wireless everyday use. We previously launched the model Stockholm, which has been an enormous success for us. We've sold it pretty much to anyone who wants a good true wireless earphone. This one comes as well in the 4 different colors, so black, white, rose gold and olive green. Instead of an earpod looking solution, we have an in-ear, and the benefit here is that you isolate the surroundings a little bit more and therefore get a more sophisticated and stronger sound. So with different ear tips, you really isolate the world. Furthermore, it's a 4.5 hour playtime, and we kick this in with a wireless charging, so it becomes even easier when you're using it. And then the Type-C connection, but most of the times you just throw it on your wireless charger and you'll automatically charge it when you're using it or not using it.
And as we demonstrated yesterday, it will charge wirelessly with a Vario-Elmarit. You can use reverse charging to charge the earphones from it.
Yeah, that makes it even easier to use, really, and then you should really never run out of battery life. So a really convenient product. It comes out on the 1st of November and will be priced £99.
Good.
So quite aggressive in price, just because we want everyone in the family to have one individually, of course in different colors. So yes, I think that's going to be a really attractive product for us.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for the overview of your new products. That was a great overview. We look forward to showing off more of your products in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.